Hello, everybody. Single Dad here. And in this episode, we have a special guest cook cooking wings for his family.
Everybody, this is Chandler here. I'm going to show you how to make some chicken wings real quick on the Ninja Foodie grill. So, fried chicken wings. Right? We're just going to do the simple seasoning, simple spray, simple bag with a little flour. We're going to put it in that Ninja Foodie grill, and you're going to see how good this stuff really tastes. So you first just start by putting a little bit of Lawry's or your favorite seasoning on it. Whatever you prefer. So you just do that up a little bit. You know what I'm saying there? There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. I got the Ninja Foodie grill preheated, so it'll be ready as soon as I get it all seasoned up and shaked up and ready to go. We're just going to throw it in this bag. I have flour already in the bag. We're just going to throw our wings in the bag, and this is good if you just want a quick snack. Some wings real quick, about 20 minutes or so, but they're going to be very nice and crispy. Give it a little shake. Cha 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 cha. Go into the grill with some air frying. Okay. Now the one thing you do want to do is get some olive oil spray. We have here. It's good olive oil. And you just want to spray a little bit on the outside of the wings. Okay? It's just going to give it a little bit of crispiness after you get it in there. The grill says it's ready for the food, so we're going to spray these sides. So, this grill's going to run for 25 minutes, and we'll do 13 on each side. And there's a lot of room in here for nice size wings. Have the one part of it cut off. And let's fry some wings. Alright, so now we're done here. And we're going to take a look at our wings here. Nice and crispy. Look at that. Man, I mean you couldn't get that better in deep frying. That is just so nice and crispy. We're going to take a little taste of it and see what it tastes like. Delicious. Delicious. That's good, people. Alright, well, have fun. Come out and get you a Ninja Foodie grill. Air fry you some good chicken. And we'll talk to you next time. Take care.